Right. Exercise 4.3, sum number 3. If NPR equal to 720 and NCR equal to 120, we need to find N comma R. We need to find N and R. So, NPR formula what? NPR equal to N factorial by N minus R factorial. NCR equal to N factorial by R factorial N minus R factorial. This is formula for NPR and NCR. Already you know very well. So, NPR equal to 720, NCR equal to 120. 1 and then 2. 1 divide 2 means I take 1 means NPR, that is N factorial by N minus R factorial by NCR, N factorial by N minus R factorial R factorial. This equal to 720 by 120. Right? So, 0 will be cancelled. 12 6 times. Here n factorial, here also n factorial, because divide n minus r factorial, n minus r factorial will cancelled. So here 1, here is what? 1 by r. That 1 by r means 1 by r. This equal to 6. Here 1 by r, not 1 by r factorial. This one we written in the multiple means r factorial equal to 6. This step no need to write. So 1 by r factorial, automatically this will be come to the numerator. R factorial equal to 6. R factorial equal to 3 into, I return this 6, 3 factorial, because 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. Right? So, factorial by cancelled, R equal to 3. We find the 3. Right? Somebody who are confusing means, wait. One divide 2, n factorial by n minus r factorial divided by NCR means n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial. This equal to 720 by 120. This will be cancelled. This divide I return n factorial by n minus r factorial. This divide I change into multiple symbol means I return the reciprocal. So r factorial into n minus r factorial by n factorial. This equal to 12 6 times equal to 6. N factorial, n factorial, n minus r factorial, n minus r factorial. So r factorial equal to 6. R factorial equal to 6 means I return this 3 factorial, because 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 6 only. So for value 6 we will return 3 factorial. Factorial will be cancelled, therefore r equal to 3. But we need to find n and r. N also we need to find. So in subdivision 1, we substitute r value means subdivision 1 NPR, n factorial n minus r factorial is equal to 720. So we are getting r equal to 3. So substitute r equal to 3 in 1, n factorial by n minus 3 factorial this is equal to 720. We want to cancel, we need to find n. So this n I written n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial, because in denominator we are having n minus 3 factorial only we are having. So up to n minus 3 factorial written, n minus 3 factorial this is equal to 720. This will be cancelled, therefore n minus 1, n minus 2 this is equal to. So here 3 terms we are having. We also need to convert into 3 terms. How we have to convert? Listen. 720 to 360 to 180 to 90 to 45 315 3 into 5. Like this we have to write. So 3 into 3 9, 2 into 2 this 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 8, one combination 9 we are having, one combination 8 we are having, 5 into 2 10. So I return 10 into 9 into 8. I convert into 3 terms. So equaling, this will be equal to here, this will be equal to here, therefore n equal to 10. So we can find r and n by using the formula NPR and NCR. Thank you.